I think the favorite part is, number one, coming here and learning some new skills, networking with other people, but utilizing some of the skills I learned in the pre-summit conference and then put them into application as of this morning. So it's been awesome.
Yeah, I was in the analyzing and fixing corporate culture, and it was very interesting to see it come together at the end. The organizational culture inventory process that they used really helped to show how it could integrate with the TapRooT and root causes, and to use that to identify areas that you can fix in your corporate culture.
First summit, what is your impression so far?
Awesome.
Yeah, you really liked
Unbelievable. The communications with Vincent, yes, very effective. Actually very relevant to interviewing skills.
Well, so you think you may be back with us in Houston?
Houston's a go.